Hi! Welcome to Roblox Math Confidence Quest. This is going to be a game-style journey where progress matters more than perfection. Please have your notes ready, either printed out or have a piece of paper ready so that you can write down the answers. I am going to show you all of the answers. Be sure to upload a picture on the Assignments tab on OutSchool when you're done. Completing all of the challenges and all of these assignments is how you will earn 800 Robux. So be sure to complete them and turn them in as you finish them. I recommend doing at least one per week. You can do more if you're super excited to earn Robux and you want to work ahead. Okay, let's get started. First, what I want you guys to learn is about having a growth mindset. If you've never heard of this, I want you to think of your brain as a muscle. You have to work on your muscles in order for them to grow. Your brain is the same way. It can grow, but we have to work on it. Some of the things we can do to work on it are saying positive things. For example, instead of saying, I can't do this, this is trash, this is horrible, we can say things like, I'm still learning this, or I can't do this yet. That one little word, yet, can change a whole lot, I promise you. Another thing I want you to keep in mind is that nobody is born good at math. We all have to work on it. Some of us learn it faster, some of us need a little bit more time. Either way, it's something that we all have to learn, so it is perfectly okay, no matter what stage you're at. Another thing that I want you to keep in mind is we are not going to give up. We can try new things, we can ask for help, we can take a break, but we are not going to give up. We can always find another way. That is what having a growth mindset means, and that is the most important part of this course. Your brain is growing, and it'll grow when you try, make mistakes, and overcome challenges. So if something is challenging, that is okay. It is part of the learning process. Today's math skill is called number sense. If you've never heard of number sense, it is understanding numbers, how they work, and how they're connected. There are a lot of patterns that you can see in math, and that will help them make sense. So number sense is understanding what numbers mean, being able to compare them, seeing how numbers work together, and being able to use numbers in real life because they are all around us. And that is a big step in becoming a math champion. So pause and think, where do you see numbers in your everyday life besides school and on worksheets? I want you to think of an example. And then on your notes, we're going to fill out the very first fill in the blank. Math is all around me in Roblox and in real life. That is your first answer. Then I want you to place what you thought of when you thought of where you can see numbers all around you right here. You can draw a little picture if you want to do maybe like in sports. There's my football. Obviously, drawing is not my main thing that I'm good at, and that is okay. So you can find numbers in sports. You can find them in scores on levels in games, when you go shopping, when you go to the store, when you go out to eat and you look at the menu, I bet you've seen numbers a whole lot more than you've realized. Number 2 says, number sense helps me understand numbers, compare them, and solve problems in different blank. We need to fill in that blank. Ways, in different ways. We're going to put that right here. Number 3, when I don't know something, I can blank, try a new strategy, and ask for blank. Let's go back to our lesson. There's different ones like counting, making a 10, breaking numbers apart, using a number line, and looking at friendly numbers that we already know how to work with. So when I don't know something, I can try a new strategy and ask for help. You can also keep going, not give up. Check your resources. There's lots of different things we can do. Even erase it and start over. Because mistakes can help us grow. They help us grow our brains. I can learn, grow, and get better every day. Back to our lesson. Let's practice. Which numbers do not belong? Well, we can look for patterns. 4, 8, 12, 24. These all seem like even numbers. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. 12 plus 4, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 is not 24. So 24 does not belong here. We can also estimate when we're trying to figure out answers. For example, 398 is closer to 400. If I say that's 400 and this is 200, 400 plus 200 is 400, 500, 600. That can help me figure out if my exact answer is correct. So these are different strategies for you to try whenever you're doing a math problem. Here we have hundreds blocks, tens blocks, and ones blocks. I like seeing visuals, so anytime that you're stuck on a math problem, try drawing it out like this, and that can help. All of the numbers in our math system are based off of 10. Because when they first started with math and numbers, they thought we have 10 fingers. That makes it easy for us to count. When you have 10 ones, you move up into the tens place. That's what one of these long sticks is. It's a 10 block. When you have 10 of those 10 blocks, you move on to this, a 100 block. When you have 10 of those, it moves up to the thousands. And it keeps going up and up and up into the millions and billions and trillions. And every time you need 10 of that before you go to the next one. So 10 is a friendly number because it can be easy to estimate, round, and if we need to, we can always use our fingers to count. It's okay. Comparing numbers is also important and a great way to help you make sense of numbers. Which of these is greater? Looking at them, they kind of look exactly the same because they have the same numbers in them. They're just in a different order. Well, the biggest number is in the thousands, which is in this place right here. Since they both have a 4, we're going to look at the next place. This is the hundreds. We have a 7 and a 7. Same. Go to the next one. A 2 and an 8. There we go. The 8 is bigger, so we know that the second number is bigger. 4,782 is bigger. Now, you might be thinking, why is she telling me all of these things? Because all of these things help us make sense of all the numbers all around us, and it builds on top of each other. So having this strong base is like a house having a really good base. It's going to last, it's going to be strong, and nothing is going to be able to blow it down. So we need to have a good, strong foundation and understanding. Good number sense helps us to make smarter choices once we get into bigger problems, and you'll need it all the way through college and then as an adult, I promise. So if you already know this, awesome. This might have been a good review. If this is something new, then take some time, maybe go back through it and look at it until you feel confident. And if you have questions, it is okay to ask. I left a space on your notes where you can add any questions you have. If you don't have any questions, then you can just leave that part blank. But if you do, write them here, and I'll see it when you turn in your homework, and I can help answer those questions. Last one. I will keep practicing, use my brain, and complete my blank quest with confidence. That is the last one. I am going to give you a math quest. Your math quest will be inside of Roblox. Here is a list of any of the games you can try. And I want you to look for math in any of these games. And then tell me what math you saw. Think counting coins, buying items, looking at prices, building things, leveling up, solving challenges. All of these things have math in them. So I want you to try and find some math in either grow a garden, build a market, pizza factory, restaurant tycoon, any of those. And when you do, tell me what it was. You can message me what it was, or you can put it on your assignment page when you turn in your assignment. That will complete your challenge. So, I would like to know how you're feeling. Do you feel nervous about this course? Do you feel better than at the beginning? Do you feel a little bit more confident about seeing math? Or do you feel like you're ready for more? If you're ready for more, then click on the next lesson. I'll see you guys soon. I am proud of you. Goodbye.